Good morning, students. As you know well, different organisms live at different places. Like us, we can't live in the ice cold places. Some people also live there, but we can't live there. We can't live in the polar conditions. There is extreme climatic conditions, too much cold or maybe too much hot. So the organisms live at a place where they feel comfort. Comfort, for comfort we generally visit to Shimla and our hill sports, hill stations, right? To avoid such kind of the extreme hot conditions. So other organisms also like to live such places where they can live comfortably, easily, and survive at that place. Like you know well, cockroach. Cockroach like the dark and dingy places जहाँ पर बहुत सारा मड पड़ा हो, कचरा पड़ा हो, वहाँ पर. It live near the garbage cans ताकि इसको खाना मिलता रहे. Like this, you know well, wall lizard live the wall, attached to the wall, and it live near the light so that it can easily capture insects. You know well, fish live in the water because it is well adapted to live in the water. Like this, birds can fly easily due to presence of their wings, and they like the place where the organism can live easily, comfortably. And so we can conclude that the surrounding or physical environment, in which an organism live, the surrounding or physical environment in which an organism live is called as its habitat. It's called as its habitat. It means the place where an organism can live, survive, is known as this particular place is known as its habitat. We are living on the land, so we all of us are terrestrial organisms. Right? This is terrestrial organisms. So we are terrestrial organisms. Right? The organisms that live in water are known as aquatic organisms. Got it? Like this, the organisms, the birds they make their nest on the trees. So these are known as arboreal. Arboreal habitat. So the habitat, what is the habitat? A place where an organism live is known as habitat. So students, look, what are the different factors that contribute to a habitat? Number one, temperature, soil type, humidity, wind, and distance from the sea. What I have told to you, do you understand? Absolutely no. So look over here, temperature. Different organisms live at different climatic conditions where temperature conditions are different. Some of the organisms can survive low temperature. Some of the organisms well adapted to live in the extreme hot conditions, like our camel. Camel can live in desert conditions and it can live in the hot and dry conditions. Some of the soil type also very important. Indian civilization nearby the rivers. Why? Nearby the rivers, easily available water, and it contains the alluvial soil which is more fertile. Now humidity. Humidity also contribute very important factor, as you know well. In coastal region humidity is higher. In other regions like us, like this climate, there is much humidity in the atmosphere. What do you mean by humidity? The moisture content which is present in the atmosphere is known as humidity. Nowadays you are looking, mom wash the clothes and dry them, but the clothes takes too much time to dry up, right? Like this one, wind and wind speed. Next one, distance from the sea. Coastal regions receive higher rainfall. As we go distance from the sea regions, we will observe that there is scanty rainfall. Like Rajasthan, we are living too much distant from the sea. That's why we receive very less rainfall. But in Bombay, in Odisha, and at the coastal region, different kind of regions, they receive too much rainfall, heavy rainfall they experience, right? Look over here, there are two conditions, two terms, climate and weather. You will say when there is pleasant climatic conditions, pleasant atmospheric conditions, you can say, like the cold and cloudy, you can say. At the time we go to picnic, we generally like to go to the picnic. But during the hot summer days, we like to live in our house, in our home, because at this place we feel pleasant. But at this time you are looking, when we go out, we feel relaxed, relief. So weather play very important role in our living style. If there is such kind of weather, whether we are sweating in such conditions, we avoid to go outside. So look over here, what are the differences between the weather and climate? What is the weather and what is the climate? As you observe that sometimes there is sunny atmosphere, and after 1 hour, within 1 hour, there are too much clouds are there, and they start flash of light, striking the light, flash of lights, and lightning occur there, and suddenly there is rainfall occur. So such kind of the immediate atmospheric conditions. Look, day-to-day conditions of atmosphere, day-to-day atmospheric conditions are known as day-to-day conditions of the atmosphere of a place is called as weather. Weather in terms of temperature, in terms of humidity, in terms of duration of light. Duration of light plays very important role. If there is duration of light is more exposure time to the sun, we feel, we experience during summer, it will result into summer. Short duration of time, it occurs during the winter season. So look over here, the day-to-day conditions of the atmosphere are called as like the temperature, humidity, duration of light, wind, rainfall, such kind of conditions are known as weather. Now, what is the climate? Climate is the condition, average weather condition, average weather pattern of a place, average weather pattern of a place over many of the years, over a number of years. So, what are differences between the weather and climate? Weather, immediate conditions of the atmosphere, day-to-day condition. It change quickly, it can change. मॉर्निंग में क्या था, शाम को क्या हो गया, इट कैन चेंज कंटिन्यूसली. बट climatic conditions, we will say weather conditions like this. It is the pleasant weather in the evening time, but sunny and hot weather during the daytime. So weather continually change. But climatic conditions of the desert region in our Rajasthan also, we will see hot and dry conditions. We will say hot and dry conditions in Rajasthan. But when we discuss about the Jammu Kashmir, these are cold places. Is the name Jammu Kashmir came in our mind and we imagine that there is snow covered the places, there is ice, too much ice, right? So these are the climatic conditions. Cold climatic conditions, hot and warm and humid climatic conditions. Warm and humid climatic conditions near the coastal regions, near the sea, coastal regions. Warm and humid climatic conditions. Got it? So differences between weather, number one, it change continuously, but climate it takes too much time to change of a climate of a place. It is generally constant. Next one, the weather covers very less geographical region, or suppose Chittorgarh in maybe Rajasthan, but the different states having different kind of the weather. So weather covers very short places, while in comparison to the climate covers large space. Got it?